There are many camp table products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best camp tables from reputable brands. To help you make an informed decision, after a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video.
Number 5.
Villi Portable Camp Table. Rating 4.6. Villi Camp Table has a unique metal screw design that works with hinges to connect each panel of the table, unlike other similar foldable tables that are connected with bungee cords or plastic nails. Heavy-duty metal nail-attached hinges make the snack table more stable and durable, allow it to last for many years. Our folding camp table is easy to install. Just unfold the aluminum frame, press the 2 rails into the grooves first, then press the table top into the grooves, and you have a sturdy traveling table, perfect for drinking coffee at home, as a beach table, or picnic table for cooking and dining.
Number 4.
Vehicle Tire Table. Rating 4.6. Easy to install, no tools or hitch required, mounts to vehicle tire, requires approximately 2 inches clearance between tire and fender. Great for tailgating, camping, car trips, RVing, and all outdoor vehicle adventures. Completely stable regardless of ground conditions, includes retractable leg for additional support. Powder-coated finish stands up to the elements, easily holds up to 50 pounds. Compact and easily portable, weighs under 13 pounds, measures 29L x 23W x 15 thick.
Number 3.
Folding Bistro Side Table. Rating 4.8. With a high-quality sustainable acacia wooden frame, our folding side table outdoor can withstand a static load of 200 pounds. The Adirondack side table also has 2 lockers and 2 joints for added safety and stability. Our foldable coffee table folds easily by unlocking 2 wooden lockers and pulling the table to 2 sides. The wooden folding table stores compactly, taking up less space than a standard outdoor table. The stylish small patio side table adds comfort and style to a variety of outdoor spaces, including the garden, backyard, porch, patio, and balcony.
Number 2.
GCI Compact Camp Table. Rating 4.8. With a unique one-piece design, the folding compact camp table 20 holds up to 60 pounds, making it a great dinner table for 2 or an outdoor side table for drinks and snacks. Enjoy the compact camp table 20 wherever you go thanks to a built-in carry handle for maximized portability, whether you're going fishing for the day or camping for a month. Simple Pack-Up is the name of the game with squeeze telescoping technology. Just squeeze the folded tabletop and compress the telescoping legs down for rapid closure.
Number 1.
GCI Outdoor Camp Table. Rating 4.8. Make your camp trips epic with the Slim Fold Cook Station. This portable kitchen features fold-out side tables for storage and hooks for trash bags or utensils. It's the perfect addition to your tailgating and camping essentials. Safely use a camp stove on the tabletop thanks to strong, heat-resistant aluminum design. Popular uses: tailgating prep station, campsite kitchen, picnic table, and cleaning site. But this multi-use table is perfect for every activity. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.